turn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour. And we've got our first order. This is going to be McDonald's, going just under 5 miles.
Thank you for choosing McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
So a DoorDash pickup.
What was the code?
707.
There you go.
Thank you. You too. Ooh, not a bad start at all. Total for that was $8. And we got the next order. This is going to be McDonald's, going just under 3 miles.
Hold on, whenever you're ready. Okay, go for it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $7. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee going 2 miles. Oh, this one's gonna be a bad one. It's only one drink.
Okay, nice up for you.
Thank you.
Of course. Have a good day.
You too. What are we guessing for the tip on this? I'll be generous. I'm gonna say $1. I hate being right. I mean, I guess it's better than no tip, but still. Total for that was $4. It's been about 15 minutes since that last order. Haven't gotten anything yet. I know you people are awake. Maybe just not hungry yet. As I say that, I get a Starbucks. This one's going 2.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $6 and change. Got a Walmart order, well, 3 technically, but it's $18 going 8 miles. Wait, wasn't too long. Got a few heavy things though, so that's gonna be annoying. They had 4 things of almond milk, a bunch of eggs, and some butter. What do you think they're making? They had a slow cooker, some dog shampoo, and 2 things of salt. Very interesting. So this last one is an apartment. As long as it's not upstairs, this should be a good Walmart run. Oh, that's kind of annoying. That's right on the corner of the street. How am I supposed to... Oh boy. Let's do that and hopefully nobody hits me. Got the next order. Looks like it's going to be a stack. We've got IHOP and Voodoo Donut, $19 going 9 miles.
Because it didn't make it in the...
I got it.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
A little bit of a wait there, but not too bad, I don't think. At least the other order is donuts and not something hot that is currently getting cold by me stalling here.
Hello, welcome in.
Hello.
These are those sodas and there's those donuts for you.
Thank you. was supposed to be a meet at door, but like nobody showed up at the door, which really doesn't make any sense to me because you literally buzzed me in less than a minute ago. Next order up, we are heading back to Voodoo Donut. This one's gonna be $7, going 4.5 miles.
After you. Are you having a good rest of your day?
Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one's going 2.5 miles. Only one item. This is kind of a repeat of the Black Rock coffee from earlier. So what are we guessing on tip for this one? I'm gonna go with $1 again. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Ooh, I love being wrong. Total for that order was almost $7. Going back to Starbucks for this one. This is gonna be $7 going 4 miles. Is that for Zadie?
Sure is.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a great one.
You too. Just got the next order. This is going to be Sherry's going 4.5 miles.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Not sure why it took so long to make one Eggs Benedict, but okay. That was like a 10 to 15 minute wait. It's not even busy in there. Total for that order was $8 and change, and we got the next one right away. This is Muchas Gracias going 6 miles.
There you go.
Thank you. Hello. Total for that order was $6, and we got the next one right away. This is Seize the Bagel going 5 miles. They just gave me an add-on. This one's going an additional 3.5 miles. This place is busy. This might be a wait.
And what are the dates you guys are picking up for? There's that one.
Thank you. Okay, that was awful. That was a 15-minute wait. Super claustrophobic in there. You're gonna make me walk through sprinklers? Is that real? Is that what's happening here? Both of those were no tips. Wow. Okay. All right. Total for those ended up being $16 and change. That's how long it took. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it here. Current time is 10:12. Total, we are at 126. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.